Hello everyone, welcome back to our English Story Podcast, episode 28. Have you ever watched a great movie and wished to tell your friend about it in English, but didn't know what to say? In this episode, you learn how to describe a movie, share your opinion, and recommend it naturally, just like a native speaker. Let me tell you a story. Last weekend, my friend Emily came over for dinner. After we ate, we sat down for tea, and she asked, "Have you seen any good movies lately?" I smiled and said, "Yes, I watched The Secret Life of Walter Mitty last night." "You have to see it. It's amazing." She asked, "What's it about?" I explained, "It's about a man who works for a magazine and dreams of adventure. One day, he actually starts traveling around the world to find the missing photograph. The story too inspiring and funny at the same time." Emily looked interested and said, "That sounds great. Who's in it?" I told her, "Ben Stiller stars as Walter Mitty. He's perfect for the role. Funny, but also emotional. The cinematography is beautiful. The movie shows incredible places like Iceland and the Himalayas." After a moment, she asked, "Why do you recommend it?" I said, "Because it reminds you to take chances in life and follow your dreams. It's one of those movies that makes you feel good after watching it." The next day, Emily texted me, "You were right. That movie was amazing. I loved it." And that's how a simple conversation about movies turned into a meaningful exchange about dreams and courage. Talking about movies in English can be a great way to connect with people and share your personality. Now, let's learn some useful vocabulary and expressions for describing and recommending movies. Number 1, talking about the type of movie. Genre: action, comedy, drama, science fiction, romantic, horror, documentary, and fantasy. Example: it's a romantic comedy about two people who meet by chance. It's a science fiction movie set in the future. Number 2, talking about the story. It's about. The story is set in. The main character is. Example: it's about a young woman who moves to a big city to follow her dreams. The story is set in Paris in the 1920s. Number 3, describing opinions. It's really exciting, funny, inspiring, touching, moving. The acting is excellent. The story is well written. Example: it's funny but also emotional. The music and visuals are amazing. Number 4, recommending a movie. You should watch it. I highly recommend it. You have to see it. Example: you should watch it. It's one of the best movies I've seen this year. I really recommend it if you like adventure films. Number 5, responding to a recommendation. That sounds interesting. I'll check it out. Thanks for the suggestion. Example: that sounds like my kind of movie. I'll definitely watch it. Tip: combine your description, what it's about, with your opinion why you liked it, to make your recommendation sound genuine. When describing or recommending movies, we often use number 1, present simple tense for general facts. It's about a man who travels the world. It stars Ben Stiller. Number 2, adjectives for opinions to express emotion. Exciting, funny, romantic, scary, inspiring, touching, dramatic. Example: it's a really inspiring story. Number 3, modal verbs for recommendations. Should, must, have to. Example: you should watch it. It's great. You have to see it. Number 4, connecting ideas with because. Example: you should watch it because the story is beautiful. I recommend it because it's so moving and well acted. Using these patterns helps your movie recommendation sound natural, fluent, and persuasive. So, you can confidently describe a movie, express your opinion, and recommend it in English. Mini challenge: think of your favorite movie and practice saying, it's about, the main character is, it's really funny, inspiring, exciting. You should watch it because. Try recording yourself saying these lines. It's great pronunciation and speaking practice. Thank you for listening to today's episode. Don't forget to follow the podcast for more real-life English stories and conversations. See you next time.